Good morning, everybody. Hope you all are doing well. So, today's lesson is use perimeter formulas for squares and equilateral triangles. Lesson 11:1 on the page number 358 to 359 on your textbooks. Objective: to use formulas to find the perimeter of squares and equilateral triangles. Keywords: perimeter and formula. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a figure. It's the boundary of a figure. You can see here the fencing around the garden, this green garden. This is the perimeter for this garden. Perimeter is when you measure all the way around the shape. All the way around the shape means you have to include all the sides of the shape and you have to add the length of all the sides of the shape. Firstly, we will talk about the square. In square, we know that we have four sides and all the four sides are equal in length. I make the identical marks here. It means the length of all the four sides of a square is equal in length. Okay, now how we will find the perimeter of a square? By using the formula. We know that we have four equal sides, so 4 times the length of a side will be the formula for finding the perimeter of a square. 4 times S means 4 times length of a side. The second shape we will discuss is equilateral triangle. We know that in equilateral triangle we have 3 equal sides. Identical mark shows that the length of all the 3 sides is equal. So how we will find the perimeter of equilateral triangle by using the formula is like this. How many sides we have? 3. And all the 3 sides have the equal length, so 3 times length of a side. This is the formula for finding the perimeter of equilateral triangle. Perimeter. Calculating perimeter of squares. We will calculate it by using the formula. This is a square and all the 4 sides of a square are equal in length. You can see. So the length of one side is 9 centimeters. How many sides we have? We have 4 sides. So we have to multiply 9 with 4. Because 4 times the length of a side is the formula for finding the perimeter of a square. So 4 times 9 equals to 36 centimeter. So the perimeter for this square is 36 centimeter. You can see here 4 times 9 equals to 36. So the distance around this square is 36 centimeters. Let's do practice. Here you see a square and the length of a side is 4 centimeter. As we know, all the 4 sides are having the same length. So how you will find? You will use the formula. Perimeter of a square equals to 4 times length of a side. We denote it by S. So 4 times, what is the length of a side? You can see here 4 centimeters. With 4 centimeter you will multiply. So 4 times 4 equals to 16 centimeter. So the perimeter for this square is 16 centimeters. This is the distance around this square. Let's do another one. Here, what is the length of a side? 56 centimeter. We know that all the 4 sides are equal in length. So we will use the formula P equals to 4 times length of a side, that is S, 4 times what is the length of a side? 56 centimeters. 4 times 56 centimeters. How you will multiply? I'm doing here. Okay, so 56 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 6, what is the answer? 24. So 4 I will write here and 2 will be regrouped up. 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. 20 plus 2 equals 22. So what is the perimeter for this square? 224 centimeters. The distance around this square is 224 centimeters. Okay, the second one is calculating perimeter of equilateral triangles. We have to use a formula for it, and here you see an equilateral triangle with the identical marks that shows that all the 3 sides are equal in length. What is the formula? 3 times the length of a side. So we have to multiply the length of a side with 3, as the equilateral triangle has 3 sides, or any triangle has 3 sides, so you have to multiply side length with 3. Okay, 3 times 8 gives you 24. So 24 is the distance around this equilateral triangle, and this is also the perimeter for this equilateral triangle. What we do? We multiply 3 with the given side length, that is 8. 3 times 8 equals 24. Must write the unit. The unit here is centimeter. Here unit is centimeter. So in the answer you have to write the unit. Let's do practice. In the first triangle, the side length is 10 centimeters. How you will find? You will use the formula for it. Perimeter equals to, as it's a triangle, so 3 times S, because all the sides in an equilateral triangle are equal in length. So 3 multiply, what is the length of a side? 10. 3 multiplied by 10, and the unit is centimeter. So 3 multiplied by 10 equals 2. You can use the mental math fast. 3 times 10, how much? 30. So 30 centimeters is the perimeter for it. If you don't know how to do multiply, so I am doing here. 10 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 0, what is the answer? 0. 3 multiplied by 1, what is the answer? 3. By this I found the answer 30. 30 centimeter is the perimeter for this equilateral triangle. Now for the next one, the length of a given side is 31. So we know that the formula is 3 times side length. What is the side length? 31 centimeters. So we have to multiply 31 with 3. How you will multiply? First multiply 3 with 1. 3 multiplied by 1, the answer is 3. Now multiply 3 with 3. 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. So 93 centimeter is the distance around this equilateral triangle. This is the perimeter for this equilateral triangle. What is the unit we used here? Centimeter. You have to write the unit in the answer. It's must. Thank you. Hope you all understood.